been a climbing arborist for 20 years. We're super excited to be a part of the Vermeer Seminar this year in Sydney and co-hosting with Joe Harris.
Sam, I work at SherrillTree service. I've been climbing for 13 years.
And you're a Red Bull champ last year. Pretty good shit. I've been coming to the Vermeer seminar since 2007. I can guarantee you, you're going to learn something from the presenters, or you're going to learn something from your colleague next to you or another participant. Well worth it.
Will and I are both members of the Practicing Arborist Committee for Arboriculture Australia.
We're also committee members of the New South Wales Arbor Association, and we're basically looking to improve best industry standards and practice. And yeah, looking forward to getting into some aerial rescue with you guys and saving our friends here.
Hi, I'm Hank Morgans, and it gives me great pleasure to announce that Joe Harris and I are going to be running the Vermeer workshop in Brisbane on the 10th and 11th of August. This year I'll be covering aerial rescue. So everyone who knows me knows that I've been lucky enough to travel the world competing and training and hanging out with some pretty cool dudes with their great techniques and gear. And I'm going to bring those skills and techniques back to Brisbane and run a workshop on aerial rescue. Hopefully something you'll never have to use in your tree climbing career, but if you do, then hopefully you'll have the skills and ability to make it look effortless and easy in a stressful environment. Anyway, you know, if you do need any more details, please jump onto the Vermeer website and have a look at the dates and times. But as I said, it's the 10th and 11th of August, and I look forward to seeing you there.
Hi, my name's Barton Allen Hall. I've been chosen as a co-presenter of the 2018 Vermeer Arbor Seminar with Joe Harris. The seminar will be on the 14th and 15th of August in Melbourne and the 21st and 22nd of August in Adelaide. I've been climbing for about 12 years, the last 7 as a subcontract tree climber in East Melbourne. I've been lucky enough to win the Australian tree climbing competition 4 times and finish second in the world on 1 occasion. This year at the seminar we'll be talking about aerial rescue, obviously a very important subject. As fun as climbing trees is, the most important thing at the end of the day is the whole crew going home safe. Look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.